There's a reason so many people quit sewing after buying their first machine, and often it's not because sewing is difficult, it's because they bought the wrong machine. In this video, I'm ranking the 5 best sewing machines for beginners under $300 and revealing which models are actually worth buying, which ones I think are overrated, and which one earns my pick for the best sewing machine for beginners overall. At number 5 is the Brother XM2701. I think a lot of people end up buying the XM2701 because it's one of the first machines that appears when searching for affordable sewing machines. And for once, that's not a bad thing. Usually selling between $130 and $170, it's one of the few machines in that price range that I can recommend without major reservations. The biggest reason is that it removes a lot of the common frustrations that make people regret buying a cheap sewing machine. You get 27 built-in stitches, 6 presser feet, an automatic needle threader, a one-step buttonhole, and a jam-resistant drop-in bobbin system. The machine is easy to thread, easy to understand, and easy to troubleshoot. If something goes wrong, it's usually user error rather than the machine itself, which is exactly what I want to see at this price. For clothing repairs, hemming, alterations, curtains, pillow covers, and lightweight crafts, it performs well. Stitch quality is clean on cotton, broadcloth, quilting fabrics, and similar materials. The feed system is reasonably reliable as long as you're working within the machine's comfort zone. The reality is that many buyers eventually try sewing denim, canvas bags, or thick, layered projects. That's where this machine starts showing its limitations. The motor isn't particularly powerful, and at around 13 pounds, the lightweight body creates more vibration than the machines above it. If you already know you'll be working with heavier materials, I wouldn't spend $150 on this and upgrade 6 months later. I'd save a little longer and buy one of the higher-ranked machines instead. The reason it's number 5 is simple. It's affordable, reliable, and easy to use. But it's also the easiest machine on this list to outgrow. At number 4 is the Genome Arctic Crystal Easy to Use. This machine usually sells between $180 and $250, and if reliability is your highest priority, I think it deserves serious attention. Genome doesn't always have the same marketing presence as Brother or Singer, but among people who sew regularly, Genome has earned a reputation for making machines that simply keep working. The Arctic Crystal offers 15 built-in stitches, a 4-step buttonhole, adjustable stitch length, and a mechanical design that prioritizes consistency over features. Some buyers see only 15 stitches and assume they're getting less machine. I disagree completely. Most sewing projects rely on straight stitches, zigzag stitches, stretch stitches, and buttonholes. Everything else is usually a bonus. What separates this machine from many competitors is how predictable it feels. Fabric feeds evenly, tension remains consistent, and the machine rarely feels like it's fighting you. Those things matter more in real-world ownership than having dozens of decorative stitches you'll never touch. It also handles medium-weight fabrics more confidently than the Brother XM2701. Denim hems, layered cotton projects, and home decor fabrics feel less stressful because the machine remains stable and controlled. The reason it doesn't rank higher comes down to value. The machines above it simply offer more capability for similar money. If all you care about is dependable, everyday sewing, this machine is excellent. But if you're trying to get the most versatility from every dollar spent, the top 3 machines make a stronger case. At number 3 is the Singer M3500. This is where I think buyers start getting real long-term value for their money. Most of the time, you'll find it between $220 and $280, and unlike many entry-level machines, it doesn't feel like something you'll quickly outgrow. The M3500 includes 110 stitch applications, adjustable stitch length and width, a one-step buttonhole, automatic needle threading, and a drop-in bobbin system. More importantly, it balances simplicity and flexibility better than most machines in this category. One thing I've noticed over the years is that many people start with basic repairs and alterations, then eventually want to try garment sewing, quilting, or more creative projects. That's usually when limited machines start becoming frustrating. The M3500 avoids that problem because it gives you enough adjustment and stitch options to expand into different types of sewing without immediately needing another machine. The stitch quality is consistent, the feed system is dependable, and the machine handles multiple fabric layers better than the two machines below it. It's not a heavy-duty machine, but it manages occasional denim work and thicker fabrics without feeling overwhelmed. The reason it ranks third is because it offers one of the best balances between affordability and capability. The reason it doesn't rank higher is because the next two machines have clearer advantages. One offers significantly more power, the other offers a more complete overall package. At number 2 is the Singer Heavy Duty 4452. I think this machine is one of the most misunderstood sewing machines on the market. A lot of buyers assume heavy duty means industrial level performance. That's not true. It's still a household sewing machine. However, compared to most machines under $300, it absolutely offers more power and better performance on heavier materials. Typically priced between $230 and $300, the 4452 includes 110 stitch applications, a one-step buttonhole, automatic needle threading, a stainless steel bed plate, and a metal frame. The motor delivers noticeably stronger needle penetration than most competitors in this price range. The biggest advantage is fabric handling. Denim, canvas, workwear repairs, bags, upholstery fabrics, and multi-layer projects are all areas where this machine consistently outperforms lighter alternatives. If those are the types of projects you're planning, I think spending extra money on lower-powered machines is actually a mistake. At around 14.6 pounds, it stays stable on the table and handles long sewing sessions comfortably. The machine also offers sewing speeds up to approximately 1,100 stitches per minute, making larger projects noticeably faster to complete. The reason it's not number 1 is because most buyers don't exclusively sew heavy materials. They want one machine that can handle everything reasonably well. That's where the top-ranked machine gains the advantage. At number 1 is the Brother CS7000X. If someone asked me where I'd spend my own $250 to $300 today, this would probably be the machine I'd choose. Not because it's the most powerful, not because it has the highest stitch count. It earns the top position because it solves the biggest problem most buyers face: finding one machine that remains useful as projects become more ambitious. The CS7000X includes 70 built-in stitches, 10 presser feet, an LCD display, automatic needle threading, a fixed needle bar, a wide quilting table, speed control, and a drop-in bobbin system. On paper, that's impressive. In actual use, it's even better. The fixed needle bar creates more consistent stitching than many cheaper machines. The speed control slider provides better precision during detailed sewing. The included wide table adds genuine value for quilting and larger projects. The machine also handles a broader range of fabrics than most competitors in this price range. What I appreciate most is that the machine doesn't force compromises. It handles clothing repairs, alterations, quilting, crafts, home decor projects, and garment construction equally well. Most buyers won't hit its limitations for a long time. The Singer 4452 is stronger on heavy denim and canvas, I'll give it that. But for the average person spending their own money and looking for the best overall ownership experience under $300, I think the Brother CS7000X is the smarter purchase. It offers the best combination of versatility, usability, features, and long-term value, which is why it earns the number 1 spot.